Yeah, sure. So I'll just repeat what I said. So there is as per cache, there are two types of cache in lookup: dynamic, static, and you can create uncached lookup as well. And there are again, lookup is you can convert that lookup into active or passive, that is also there. And one more type is there, lookup can be connected or unconnected. So as this lookup is part of your data flow, and if you suppose assume like this mapping is having expression over here, there is one more expression over here, and you want to use some value from the same table. You have done lookup over here and you want to use the same value, but you cannot drag lookup port from this lookup to this expression, because that is in pipeline. You cannot reuse the pipeline lookup again and again. Fine. But in case of unconnected lookup, if this lookup is unconnected and you have series of expressions and the lookup is on same table, and you need that value in two or three expressions, so you can just directly call that lookup from that expression and you will be able to access that lookup. And important thing is, your unconnected lookup cannot be a dynamic lookup, that will always be a static. Fine. So this is the unconnected lookup, this is your target. So we'll populate the department name only for department 10 and 20. Rest of the things we'll pass this thing, purchasing. Fine. Just to test, so what we need to do is, see what lookup is returning is string, what is the input is decimal. So whenever you're calling lookup from expression, as soon as your means if your lookup is there and if it is no input and no output for that lookup is connected, so you'll see that lookup over here. Just hold on, I'll change the name of class. Okay. DPT LKP DPT. So you will see that lookup over here. You can, so the parenthesis, you can pass input to this lookup. You can pass multiple column as an input, that is acceptable. But the only thing is, unconnected lookup will return only one column from that lookup. You cannot return multiple value. For join condition or for checking purpose, you can pass multiple values from expression to lookup, but lookup will return you only one column. Fine. So here what we need to do is, we need to do a conditional call. If dpt id in or dpt id equal to 10 or dpt id equal to 20, then call the lookup pass the department ID or else the default department is this. Fine. And from here, now this is the unconnected lookup. So, and as I said, unconnected lookup will return only one column. So there is only one column as of now, but if there are multiple columns in that lookup, so which column you want to return to an expression, so just mark that column as return. Fine. And now what it is returning? It is returning the department name. So the port in which you are calling that unconnected lookup should be capable of holding that value. So it should be string, suppose 20. Apply. So 15 record fetch, 15 got loaded. Here our target is so for 10 and 20 we have in if condition we are calling that lookup, or else we have hard coded purchasing. Fine. So in this scenario it will not call that unconnected lookup. If condition it is not matching, it will directly pass what is there. So this is the advantage of unconnected lookup. Based on your requirement you can call. Not that for every record that lookup will get called and you are getting value from that lookup. Fine. So what all are the advantages of unconnected lookup? Anyone? What can you please elaborate what that means? Bit louder. Bit louder. Mm-hmm. So two advantages: one, we can call based on our requirement, and second, we can use that unconnected lookup multiple times in mapping. Fine.